Alright, it's Alex back with another video. We got the Rebel case from Phone Rebel. So he's another YouTuber who makes like some Apple videos, some iPhone videos, so everything Apple Pro. His links will be down in the description below. So this is his case he created. Now we're going to open it up right now. So I think it's really interesting that a consumer basically made a case. I think that's really cool. So I think that's a really cool thing that a consumer made a case. So here we go. His packaging is right here. So it's a pretty cool sort of packaging design, I think. This is kind of like Apple's packaging, sort of in some way. I've been using the iPhone, the iPhone case for weeks, or for months. So it's gonna be nice to change it up a little bit. Now I think it opens just from the bottom. I think it just slides out. Okay, there's still another pull tab. Okay, there we go. So it should just pull out like that. Now that's really cool. This is sort of it seems like some sort of minimalistic sort of packaging, sort of like Apple in some sort of way. Now what he was trying to go for was with a case that was slim enough. It was slim that you could still feel the body of the phone, but not like too overall like bulky like some other cases. Now this feels really good in the hand. So he put these like magnetic mounts. He's going to be coming out with like some phone like mounts for like car mounts and stuff. So that should be really interesting to see. Maybe I'll pick one up. So let's throw it on the phone, honestly. That's what we have to do. So take off that Apple case. Got that midnight green iPhone 11 Pro. So let's pop this thing on. So let me just tell you, this feels really good in the hands. Like this is going to be my new go-to case to use. So this should be really interesting to use overall. Now let's see what else comes in the box. So let's put this to the side. So what does he have in here? What did he include? So he included a glass screen protector. So for the value of this case, it's definitely worth it already. You get a glass screen protector, and that is definitely a glass screen protector. You get a glass screen protector in the box right away. It also comes with these sticker things to protect the sides of the phone because the metal is exposed on the sides. So that's really cool. What else? A nice cleaning kit for the screen protector. I think that is everything that comes in the package. So that's overall a really good packaging experience. So overall, I definitely recommend this. It's a pretty overall nice case. Got iOS 14 on here. Video coming soon on iOS 14. But overall, though, I think this is a really good case, and I'm going to be using this and putting it to its test. And I really like what he did here with the packaging. Like, it's sort of like an iPhone. Like, you put the 3 cameras, and you put, like, this sort of thing. This is a really good packaging. So, overall, I definitely would recommend this case to you guys today, and all the links to it are down in the description below. So, that is it for this one, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.